Okay, Doodle's back out yet again. Retensioned the chain when I got back before and put some new bar end mirrors on, donated courtesy of a good friend, a good man ho. And they seem better, mainly because they're not falling down all the time. Play around, getting them adjusted where I can see something. So already enjoying the Grom. Wasn't sure whether I'd take to this biking mark. Seemed to be. Already looking at the next step. I was chatting to the trainer when I did the CBT about what was next. And where we went next. And he's got a special short arse 650 that he can use for people with inside legs the size of dwarfs like myself. So that's not to stop me. I think what we'll do is at least 6 months playing on the Grom. See if I really enjoy it or not, and if I get any better at it. If I do, we might look at doing the big bike. If not, and I'm happy staying with the Grom, I might just do the CBT again when it needs renewing. Or I might do the big bike and still keep the Grom, just take the L plates off. The choices are endless. Or at least there's two of them. I'd quite like to not have L plates on, but is it worth spending the possibly £600 to get through a big licence only to carry on riding the Grom? I'm mature in age, so insurance doesn't cost me a lot anyway. I probably wouldn't save a fortune. That's probably not a reason to go off and do it. More just because I fancy doing it. The time will tell. Watch this space. Unless you want to make a comment, feel free. Don't mind. Comments are always welcome. Don't have a ton of followers or anything, so the few that do, feel free to speak up. Find somewhere to do a few nice Instagram pictures today. I have a nice little spot. I like to take pictures of the cars when I'm out and about to see if there's no one there we can park up, do a few shots of the bike. Kind of left myself my least favourite turn here, and it's a bugger. better. Can't see out the mirrors now. Nice little country lane, full of traffic, got it to bank holiday weekend, and I live in sunny Southport, which when it's sunny gets busy, even if it's not warm. Don't know what the temperature is today, 14 I suppose, or something around that. Lovely in the sun if you're in a little bit of a sun trap. Sunny and warm, out of the way though. What's that up on a bike? Breezy, bright and breezy, free and easy. Doodly doo doo doo. Cheeky little 30 limit along here, opens up in a minute to a 50. And then we can unleash all the 8 horsepowers. Maybe 7.5. It's always nice to keep a bit in reserve, I feel. We've got brake lights on, now we've got an indicator. I'm not trying to maintain too much speed, that's my problem at the minute. So I probably wouldn't do that corner any more than 40 in the car, so why would I expect to do it at more than 40 on a bike? Is the question. Just because in theory you can doesn't mean to say I'm ready to do it, because I'm comfortable doing that kind of speed. Is that a better way of looking at it, I wonder? Keaton's Bridge, let's see if anyone's out. Oh, lots of boats. Lots of beer garden smokers. Busy day for the pub because the sun's out.